Okay, today we're going to talk about Power Switch Tail 2. What is that? It's a special device that lets you switch something on and off that uses 120 volts AC with a lower voltage.
Quentin,
Like
what are you doing?
5 or 3 volts.
You have one at lunch, dear.
Here's your output with an outlet connected for the thing you want to switch on and off connects to. Here's what it connects to the outlet, this input side. Now, what runs this thing is this optocoupler. This optocoupler switches on and uses a special kind of optocoupler, one that has a photo triac in it.
I think you're fibbing to me right now.
Photo triac, well, triac does. The triac is it's like a transistor met for AC instead of DC. Don't matter what the polarity. There's two terminals that you can put either which way. It doesn't matter because it doesn't matter what the current where the current flows on either. Now, to protect that the optocoupler, we have a metal oxide varistor. Right here, and then one mounted on the output side. This one protects it from the transients of this relay could create. Relay create some spikes and it could harm this optocoupler, so that's why they put one here. You put one here, so if you switch on fast, it won't blow the fuse. It'll take out the surge. It does that.
Hey, Robert.
This relay runs off 120 volts, so there's no need for a power spike in the relay. It runs on its own. There's a jumper right here. This defaults connected to the normally open pin. You can change it and move it up to here where it's normally closed, and it'll be normally closed wired. Wired it for normally closed operation.
Yep, you sure do, bud.
There's a jumper.
Be nice, Robert.
And you have to solder it. Or this you set up to be normally closed. This LED here is an indicator LED telling you if the relay is switched on or not. There's two resistors used, one for the optocoupler LED and one for the indicator LED. And you have your input pins over here to control it. Positive, negative, and ground, Earth's ground. The Earth's ground can be useful if you want to transfer it through one wire, switch on one wire. Because it belongs to the device's Earth's ground. If it ain't, it's not going to work that way. You have to transfer it two wires. You can do it with one wire, and it have, like you say, it's controlled by a computer that have like a serial port. Pulse it with a serial port. You can put positive to this one, maybe DTR or RTS pin of the serial port. Negative will tie it together with this pin, and there you go. It'll turn on and off with just one wire. L central line, N central neutral, and this is Earth's ground, GND. As you see, Earth's ground connects to the other side directly, and the neutral connects to the other side directly through it. But the line on the other side, which is relays, contacts. And there you go. Let's see, anything else we can talk about it? The voltage, 3 to 12 volts, 3 milliamps, 12 volts would be 30 milliamps. depending on what voltage you have, depends on how much current's going to draw from it and how much current's going to need. How much current's going to draw, not what it needs.
I know, because you didn't make it up to the red. You did good, you got to the yellow, but then you went back down to the green, didn't
The metal oxide versus it takes out surges, and this one takes out the spikes from the relay. When it switches on and off, since it's an inductor, it will make spikes, it could possibly make spikes enough to break it. So they put this metal oxide resistor in there, so it takes out that surge. And there you go. Now let's take a look at it. What it looks like the device itself. Okay, here is the power switch 2. It's connected to this pumpkin here. It's hooked up to a multi-vibrator circuit. You saw in my video before this, there'll be one talk about how a multi-vibrator works. It's just basically an oscillator with two outputs. That one is opposite of the other, and it uses two transistors, two capacitors, and four resistors. Two resistors are the same. Should be the same. I don't think they have to be. They could be different, but the thing is, your duty cycle won't be 50%. It'll be something else if they're not the same pair. Anyway, here's the board of my multi-vibrator. Here's the power switch tail right here. It just turned on. See if I get my hand off of that. You can read this here. It's the power switch tail 2. Isolated DC activated AC power switch. Input is 3 to 12 volts, 3 to 30 milliamps. And the output is 15 amps at 120 volts. And I think they make, I don't know, say if the country's not this voltage, I think they make a version that goes to 240 volts AC, but I think it's in a kit only. I don't know, not for sure. I didn't order that. I'll have to look at the website. And there it is. It works real nice.
In case of an emergency, I can always use my Lifeline cell phone to call.
SafeLink, the free phone program, free cell, free text, and free minutes is your connection to safety. If you qualify for programs such as today, you are eligible for 500 free minutes.
And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, so thanks for watching. Hope you like it.